Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today's recipe is Culinary Hub fried chicken for all the chicken lovers who are craving for a juicy, succulent chicken drumstick with a crispy, crunchy coating. You can make it at home and customize it as per your taste. For the recipe, I have taken 6 chicken drumsticks to which I have added 1 teaspoon of salt so that the meat gets tenderized. To that I am adding 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 5 to 6 cloves which I have powdered it, and I am adding a combination of paprika and red chilli powder which is around 1 tablespoon, and to tenderize the meat I am adding 1 bowl of buttermilk, then I'll break in 1 egg and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. The chicken should be marinated for 4 to 5 hours and it will be really good if it is marinated overnight. For a good fried chicken, it is the coating that is very important. So I am preparing the coating as follows. In a bowl, I am adding 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of corn flour. To make it really crispy, the secret ingredient is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And for flavoring, I am using the following spices. A little amount of garlic powder, a little amount of onion powder, oregano and white pepper powder, salt as per taste, a little amount of ginger powder, and for the color, a little amount of turmeric. Mix all the spices with the flour and your coating is ready. For making it even more crispier, a second coating is needed. In a bowl, I have taken a little amount of red chilli powder and salt. Add whites of 2 eggs. Now the chicken has been marinated thoroughly. I'll take out 1 piece of chicken and dip it in our flour mixture and coat it thoroughly on all the sides. Then for the second coating, I'll dip in the egg white mixture. And once again, the chicken piece goes into the flour mixture and gets coated for the second time. To check whether the oil is really hot, I'll dip in 1 wooden spoon in the hot oil and check whether it is bubbling. Yes, the oil is hot enough. Then in goes the chicken piece. and let it get fried for around 6 to 7 minutes on one side. Then it is time for turning it over and frying it on the other side, and this continues for another 7 to 8 minutes. And once the chicken has been thoroughly fried, it is time for the test for crunchiness. You can hear it's really crunchy, and you can enjoy this with a sauce of your choice. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button if you like this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.